Welcome to my channel. Today we're making time. Glitter and baking soda.
That's not baking soda. It's a contact solution.
Contact solution and dew and with baking powder. That is what I'm. First, I want to make this end. Yeah.
Pour all of it in.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Here, let me get your food coloring.
Food coloring.
If I can find it.
Whoa. Whoa, we write glittery. I don't give you so glittery.
Can you give me some glittery?
Yes. My glitter don't be too glittery. That is enough. Or all of it. That is all. I want to make. I want to turn it to different colors.
Okay, what color do you want?
All of them, maybe. I think have all of them. I didn't have all of them.
Well, what color do you want to make?
I want to make purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
So you'll need the red one and the blue one.
Yeah. I'm going to.
All right. Oh, you don't need all of it.
Yeah. That is now. Now I need the blue. I need the blue. Oh no, I don't. There, that is another blue. But mix it. Mix it and mix it. It's turning purple. Wow. It's turning purple. Next.
And just leave it right there.
And I want to make it. I don't know like that way. I do right.
No, you've already made purple.
I want to
You
make.
want to put your glitter in now?
No, I want to make purple too. Let's get that. I think
Okay, it's your slime.
it's
All right, that's enough.
Yeah. It's too bright. It's too bright. I'm having fun making that. Now, next, I need green. I don't know what color are you painting.
All right, that's enough.
Stop it. I don't know what color I'm making. Let's see what color I'm making. What color I'm making?
I don't know what color it's gonna be.
It's almost purple. It's blue. But it's purple. What color is it? What color is it? It's red?
No, it's not red.
Let me add glitter to it. Glitter.
All right, that's enough. Okay, it's gonna be very glittery.
And I need to mix. Then we out. Then we have some more.
Yeah, we have some more,
That is
but I think that's plenty.
I want that much that we still have one more. With me, this is too fast. It doesn't do dirty. Don't do dirty. Next, I need this.
Just a little. Alright, that's enough.
That is good. And I need you miss it too high. It's missing too good. It's missing too time. Help me open this. Gemma is watching me.
Is she?
Yeah,
Alright.
Gemma is watching me. Gemma is watching me.
Is your mama watching you?
No, that Gemma is.
Oh, the camera. I bet your mama's watching too. Is it getting slimy?
Yeah, that is enough. It's too tiny. It isn't too tiny. Whoa. Whoa. It's too tiny. I do not want to die in here though. I don't know I like it. Let me miss it. Prosciutto light.
Alright.
That is enough. Oh, that is too dirty. It isn't too dirty. It isn't tiny. It isn't tiny. I did a blue coloring this. It's turned purple, red, and red. What color yellow and green red though?
What?
What's green and yellow make?
I don't know. Yellow and blue make green.
No, they're. I don't know. Let me.
Okay.
Ew, it feels like Goofy.
What?
Goofy does it bad? It feels like Goofy does it bad.
I know, it doesn't smell like poopy.
No, it's like Goofy
Oh,
does
okay.
it's like bad up glittery.
That it would be glittery poopy.
Glittery Goofy. Ew. That is, I already made time. Ew. Yuck. I not like you that one. I dared.
Yes.
No, let me put it in. There, you didn't do dirty. I didn't put it yet? Yeah. I not like to touch that. I'm scared to touch it with my fingers.
You can touch it with your fingers.
Ew. Those. Ew, those. Ew, those. Ew, those. Rip it in. That's nice. And put you make it down here. Make it down here. Ew, yeah, those. I want to see. Ew. Yuck. If I I'm making sure it's all bad too. We did a dumping. I like tiny. It's so tiny. What is it?
I don't know. What did you make?
Animal.
What kind of animal?
It's like a spider, but 2 eggs.
Oh, okay.
It's like a spider with 2 eggs. It's a spider with 2 eggs. I want to put this thing up. little by diamond. Yeah. Help me. Thanks for watching. Type in my channel. Give a big thumbs up.